All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is crack 3 eggs into a bowl. And once we get the 3 eggs cracked in there, we're gonna whisk it up really, really good. We wanna make sure that the egg whites and the egg yolks are mixed evenly. That's gonna help you come out with a fluffier omelet. Now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of sugar, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna whisk it all over again. Just make sure that all of that gets mixed in there really, really well and it gets all over the bread. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a couple of cups of cornflakes and crush them up really good to where they're super fine. Now put that on a plate, and what you're gonna do with that, dip the bread into the egg wash. Make sure you get it all over the bread. And then you're just gonna take that, let some of that egg drip off, and put that down into the crumbs. Then you wanna take the crumbs and kind of cover that bread as much as possible. Press it down into the cornflakes real lightly. Not too hard, you don't wanna squish it. And then once you get that done, you wanna make sure and get all the rest of them done. And just repeat that process until you have all your bread done. Now, once you've got everything coated evenly, got that, there we go. All right, so we're gonna do all of them, make sure that everything's coated really nice. Now, 2 cups is gonna last you about 4 pieces of bread. So if you're gonna do more bread, then do more cornflakes. And that way you have enough to cover everything really, really well. Because the more cornflakes you have on there, the better crunch you're gonna have at the end. So you wanna make sure that just really get that cornflakes everywhere on that thing. All right, so we got all that done. Now we're gonna add a little bit of butter to a pan, probably about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons, and get that all melted. And then we're gonna lay that bread right into the butter. Keep that heat at about, I don't know, medium, around 4 or 5, depending on where your oven's at. And you wanna toast each side till it's a perfect golden brown. And a couple minutes each side. Once you're done with that, put it up onto the cutting board, and then you cut that in half and enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Have a wonderful day. Peace and love.